15-minute chakra balance guided meditation. Welcome, dear soul. This is your time, a space to return to balance, to align, to remember the deep wisdom that already lives within you. Begin by finding a comfortable position. You may choose to sit upright, cross-legged on the floor or in a chair, or you may lie down, allowing your body to fully rest and receive. Wherever you are, gently close your eyes. Allow your hands to rest naturally, palms open, and take a moment to simply arrive. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing else you need to do. This moment is just for you. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly, releasing tension as your body begins to soften. Feel your shoulders begin to drop away from your ears, your jaw unclench, your forehead smooth. With each breath, give yourself permission to let go. Let go of the day you've had. Let go of plans, of noise, of thoughts. With every inhale, draw in peace. With every exhale, release what no longer serves. Now, return to a natural rhythm of breathing. Allow it to flow gently, effortlessly, like the tide of the ocean, steady and calming. Feel your breath as it rises and falls. Notice how it connects you to this moment, to your body, to the wisdom within. Now, let's begin our journey through the chakras, your energy centers, each one holding a unique frequency, a sacred gift, a piece of who you are. We begin at the base of your spine, your root chakra, Muladhara. This is your center of grounding, safety, survival, and connection to the earth. Visualize a deep red light glowing at the base of your spine, a rich, powerful red, like the color of deep clay, strong and ancient. As you breathe in, see this red light begin to glow brighter. As you exhale, feel it anchoring you to the earth. You are safe here, supported, rooted. Imagine roots growing down from your body, through your legs, your feet, into the soil beneath you. They spread wide and deep, connecting you to the heart of the earth. Feel the energy rising through those roots, filling your root chakra with strength and stability. Repeat softly in your mind, I am grounded, I am safe, I am supported by the earth. Stay here for a few breaths, feeling the red energy expand and pulse, clearing away fear, restoring your foundation. Allow yourself to trust, to settle, to feel your place in this world. Now, gently move your awareness just below your navel to the sacral chakra, Svadhisthana. This is the center of emotion, creativity, sensuality, and flow. Visualize a beautiful orange light in this space, warm, glowing, like the color of candlelight or a soft sunrise over water. Breathe into this area and feel that orange energy beginning to swirl, soft, fluid, alive. This is where your emotions live, where you hold joy, sadness, love, desire, grief, inspiration. There is nothing here that needs to be fixed, just witnessed, just felt. As you inhale, let this orange energy grow brighter. As you exhale, release any blocks, allowing your feelings to flow freely through you. You may imagine gentle waves moving through your body, softening, loosening, cleansing. This chakra is also the birthplace of your creativity. It is your sacred wellspring, the place from which art, music, laughter, and intimacy rise. Repeat silently. I honor my emotions. I embrace my creativity. I flow with life. Let this light swirl gently in your lower belly, cleansing old emotional debris and opening the space for pleasure and passion. Breathe. Feel. Allow. Now, bring your awareness up to your solar plexus, the area above your navel in the center of your torso. This is your solar plexus chakra, Manipura. It is the seat of your personal power, your confidence, your inner fire. Visualize a radiant yellow light here, like the sun glowing within your belly. Warm, golden, powerful. As you inhale, feel this golden light grow stronger. As you exhale, imagine it expanding outward, filling your body with a sense of strength and clarity. This is where your will lives, your boundaries, your identity, your self-respect. Let this light burn away self-doubt, insecurities, and fear of judgment. Feel your inner flame, the part of you that knows who you are and isn't afraid to shine. You are not too much. You are not too little. You are exactly what this world needs. Repeat softly to yourself, I am powerful. I am confident. I am aligned with my purpose. Feel this yellow energy spinning in harmony, charging your body with courage, with determination, with the knowing that you are enough. Take a few breaths here. Inhale strength. Exhale hesitation. Inhale clarity. Exhale resistance. Let this chakra restore your sense of self and reconnect you to your personal truth. Now, take a moment to pause. Notice how your body feels. Notice any shifts, sensations, or emotions without judgment, just awareness. Feel the lower three chakras, root, sacral, solar plexus, working together now. Grounded, flowing, empowered. Imagine red, orange, and yellow light swirling through your body in perfect harmony. They blend and move together like fire and water dancing with the earth. Let yourself rest here in this harmony for a few quiet moments. Breathe into your foundation. Breathe into your energy. Breathe into your being. This is the power of balance. This is your energy awakening. Now, very gently, begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Notice the rhythm, the life in each inhale, and the softness in each exhale. You are exactly where you are meant to be, right here, within yourself, whole and present. Stay here for a few more deep, nourishing breaths. Let your body soak in the energy you've cultivated. Let your spirit rest in this light. You have begun the process of aligning your energy. And as we continue in the next part of our journey, we'll rise into the upper chakras, the heart, throat, third eye, and crown. But for now, just breathe, just be, and trust that everything is unfolding as it should. You are light, you are love, you are energy in perfect balance.